Hello and welcome to another help video from Flawless POS. In this video, we will go over the process of locating and processing online orders using the Flawless POS system. This will help you manage online transactions effectively, ensuring smooth operations and timely customer communication. In this example, we will process an online order placed by a customer named Peter. We'll demonstrate how to access the order, choose the appropriate fulfillment method, notify the customer, and finalize the transaction. Each step in the process of handling online orders is designed to ensure a smooth and efficient transaction. Let's walk through each one. First, let's access the Online Orders module. Open the left navigation menu and select the Sale module. From there, click on the Process Online Order option. This will display a list of all pending online orders. Next, locate the specific order you'd like to process. In this example, we'll be processing the first order on the list placed by Peter. Click on the Process Now button to begin. In the Process Online Sales section, you will need to choose the fulfillment method. Here, you have three options. Special order requires allocation to a created sales order afterward. In stock, allocates items from your current stock, but only if the item is available in stock. Unable to fulfill, notifies the customer if the item cannot be fulfilled. Once you've selected the appropriate method, click Next to proceed. Now, review the email notification that will be sent to the customer regarding the order processing. You can edit the email content if necessary. When everything looks good, press the Continue and Send Notification button. Alternatively, if you don't want to notify the customer, click on the three-dotted button next to the Continue and Send Notification button and select the option to process without sending a notification. At this stage, you're ready to proceed with the checkout process. Let's move on to the next steps in handling payment and finalizing the order. After sending out the notification, you'll be redirected back to the Sale module. This is where you can proceed with the usual checkout process. Now, let's focus on the payment options for online transactions. When a customer places an online order, the amount isn't immediately charged, it's only authorized. This means the funds are reserved, but the payment isn't finalized until the order is processed in the POS. It is also possible to modify the funds that are being captured in the event that you have one or more items that are not available, but you still have a partial payment due for items that are available. Here's what you can do in this section. Capture transaction. This finalizes the payment. It's important to note that you must capture the funds to proceed with submitting the sale. Without capturing the funds, the sale cannot be finalized. Void authorization. This is used to void the payment authorization. Collect payment signature. Use the current device or a phone to capture the customer's signature for the order. Once you've captured the transaction, a green confirmation window will pop up at the top. This indicates that the payment was successfully captured. Finally, submit the sale to complete the process for the online order. This ensures that the transaction is finalized and recorded in the system. Once again, it is important to capture the funds, otherwise you can't submit the sale. That's it for processing online orders on Flawless POS. Thanks for watching.